台灣話第一課之二寫甲文法
Each word in Taiwanese has an original tone. But in a sentence we change the tone of each word except in several cases. Some of these exceptions are as follows. The last word in a sentence generally does not change tone.
老師多謝多謝老師
Single-syllable nouns generally do not change tone.
錢
In nouns of two or more syllables the last syllable does not change tone.
老師學生 JNH
Do not change tone. Most other words in a sentence, such as verbs and pronouns, generally change tone.
這愛偌濟錢我是學生 JNH are pronouns, not modifiers. Do not use 這錢 to mean this money.